Hi, it's the MOTOROla Moto G73 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network in internet section, then tap to internet. To activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and after that we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use one from the So now we just connected to the GSM center network. If you wanna disconnect or to share with password with someone or just to forget this network, so to forget the password, you should click here to this bin icon, to forget icon. Just to connect to the new network, just select it, and here we should enter the password. Just to show this password, we should click here to this checkbox. Let's enter the password, click then to connect, wait a couple of seconds, and we can see that our device successfully connected. Just when you connect to a couple of networks, you will see them here in Save Networks list. So if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should also, by the same way, click on the switcher. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first open the control bar, and here you'll see Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate or to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click to this section, and just to activate to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this section, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.